Yo, what's up guys, this is SoftFX right here, and I am Amosoft. Now in this video I'm going to be breaking down the gold analysis and also GBUSD, and showing you guys what I think is going to happen in the market in the coming days. Guys, if you're new to this channel, please make sure to give us a thumbs up, and let's grow this YouTube channel to 3,000 subscribers. Now let's head over to the charts. First, we're going to be looking into GBUSD. I already marked my zones where I'm expecting the market to go in the coming days. But before I show you that, let's go to the 4-hour time frame. As you know, I'm a day trader, so I work more with 4-hour time frame and also 2-hour, 1 hour, 15 minutes, and the rest of them. So if you go to the 4-hour time frame and you kind of zoom out, you will notice something that sorry guys, I have to use my mobile phone. I just want to upload this video for some people who have been requesting for it. So if you go to the 4-hour time frame and you zoom out, you see that we are currently trending downwards. All right, and yeah, we're currently downwards on the 4-hour time frame. And I'm also but what I normally pay attention to is what is happening presently, okay, on the charts. And as you can see right here, if you go down to a smaller time frame, let's say the 1-hour time frame, and you zoom out, you are going to see that we are obviously in an uptrend. Okay, but as you know, this is the 4-hour trend line right here, which simply means that I'm expecting the price of the British pound to, bounce all the way up to this level before maybe we'll see a major move to the downside. Because also, if you zoom out a little bit, let me show you something. If you zoom out a little bit, and doing analysis on phone is very stressful. So if you zoom out a little bit, I'm trying to take this out, okay? Bear with me, guys. So if you zoom out a little bit, if you zoom out a little bit, you see that there is actually an order block somewhere around here. There's an order block right here. So this confirms that there's a very high probability that the market is going to come all the way to this range. Over here. Okay, but before that, we might see some kind of drawdown to this level before we start going up. So that's one reason why I might place so because of the 4-hour trend line that is currently showing us that it's still downtrending, this is why I believe that we are still going to hit this level, okay, before maybe we see some kind of drop, breaking this trend line over here, So this is basically what I think is going to happen. But what I'm expecting in the meantime is that we might see some kind of, because if you go down to the 15-minute time frame, we see a kind of shift in the structure of the market. Now this is not a break of structure, this kind of shift in the market structure. So if this if this becomes valid, what I think is going to happen in the meantime is that we're going to see GBUSD maybe going all the way to fill these gaps right here, then coming down to hit this level. So this level is actually the main level I'm looking out for. that's actually the main level I'm looking out for. So once the trade comes to this level, okay, the price comes to level, I'm going to be looking for maybe an W pattern, or a kind of pattern, any reversal pattern, or a kind of because if it goes down, we're going to see something like this. Then I'm going to be waiting to see something like this, then a breakout structure right here. Then I'll enter this trade and move it all the way up to that's 4-hour trend line. So that's what I'm expecting in GBP USD. Forgive me if the analysis is a little bit rough because I'm using a mobile phone, but if you're a trader, you understand what I'm trying to do. So let's move to gold. Now we also have to take a look at gold in the 4-hour time frame. Take a look at going forward and consider gold is also trending downwards as well. All right, so my point of interest, where I'm waiting for gold, go down to the 1-hour time frame, I'm waiting for gold somewhere around this level. All right, here is the major place I'm waiting for gold, because as you can see, like I showed you on the 4-hour time frame, you can see that gold is still trending downwards, and it needs to touch this trend line. It needs to though it already touched the trend line, but I think it still needs to give like a double touch, create like a double top, or an M pattern, okay, to signify a reversal, then possibly break this trend line right here. So that's basically what I'm looking at gold. But in a smaller time frame, I expect gold to do something like this. Let's go down to the 15-minute time frame. 15 minutes time frame. On the 15-minute time frame, I expect gold, as you can see, there's already a kind of change of character right here on the 15-minute time frame. So what I'm expecting gold to do is keep tapping this button, I don't know why. Okay, what I'm expecting gold to do, once the market opens, I expect gold to go all the way to this level, to my Q zone area, and start the movement downwards, and hopefully go down to this level over here, and possibly go down to this level over here. So this is where the major area I'm waiting for gold to see, maybe a W pattern, or a kind of breakout structure, a change of character. If I see something like this is where I'm going to be waiting for, a kind of W pattern or change of character, stuff like that. So this is basically what I'm expecting. Go back to the 1-hour time frame, so I can show you the whole thing. So 1-hour time frame. 1-hour time frame, as you can see, this is basically the area, my point of interest, where I'm waiting for gold. So even if I place this sell order right here and it goes upwards to take me out, okay, I'm still gonna wait for gold right here, because there are a lot of imbalances that needs to be filled over here in the market, and maybe catch, if I see something like this, maybe catch like 50 or 100 pips all the way to this level, then before we start coming down and breaking this level. So this is basically what I'm expecting for gold. And so guys, if you want me to be dropping similar video, though I'm going to be making it a little bit clearer than this, then just drop in the comment section, and I'll keep posting videos like this. All right, so I wish all of you a successful trade this week, and God bless.